Okay, let's look at the GBP card. Now, there's something I want to show us with this pair. Something I've been explaining in most of my analysis, but I think it actually played that in this pair. So, um, what I've been telling us that at a break of every structure, wait for full candlestick retracement, a full price action retracement. Let me give you an instance of a full candlestick, something like this. This is a full price action retracement. Always wait for something like this, then break of that structure by a bullish engulfing candle or a weak rejection candle like this. As you can see what happened here, the market broke out from this structure. I know many traders are just selling here. That is the problem with where you don't wait for a full candlestick retracement. I know it takes hours to get that, but it's safer. Now, I was waiting for the market to retrace. After retracement, then waiting for a bearish engulfing candle for confirmation. I did not see it, so I did not take this trade. So it saves me the challenge of taking a wrong trade. And also, if you trade that way, you can easily spot a good buying opportunity. Now, this was a good buying opportunity. Just imagine you saw this buying opportunity. Of course, it may not make sense to you if you don't understand how to trade this setup, but this is a good buying opportunity. And this, if you can spot such opportunity, you get good risk to reward ratio. Okay, so that is just one thing I want to explain to us. And you can see what the market is doing. The market is trying to it broke to the upside retrace, and our setup is actually playing at this was a deeper retracement, and the market is giving us all the possibility of going to the upside. Okay, so but there is a bot, and I want us to watch out for that bot. Very very important. Now this is a level that can actually bounce the price up, down. So let's watch out for this level. Let's watch out for this level. Very important. So if you are buying, consider that there is a resistance here that can bring the price down. So I'm still hoping the market might break to the downside. Okay, based on the bigger time frame, I'm expecting this market to break to the downside. But if the market did not, then it will break to the upside. Either way, we are good. So I'm expecting the market to break to this side or to this level. And so that is it. So I'll just wait for the market to do either of these, break to the upside, retrace. Then this is my two possibility. This is two possibility that the market can do. Okay, so if the market break this structure, give you a full price action retracement, look for bullish engulfing candle and take a trade to the next level. Okay, that is how you trade. Or if you break to the downside and do a good level, a good amount of retracement, and give you a bearish engulfing candle, then you trace to the downside. Okay, so let me take this out. This level is no longer valid. So that is how you should uh, uh, trade. So let's wait and see what the market will do. To this upside, we buy. To the downside, we sell. But always know that you have to wait for a full candlestick retracement before you enter a trade, and you must wait for a bullish engulfing candle or a bearish engulfing candle before you trigger the trade. Okay, so that's our setup for GBPCAD. Let's see what the markets will do when it opens in the next few minutes. Okay, so see you in the next pair. Know that this video is for educational purpose only. Always do your own analysis and do it to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on any of the trading setup before the market opens. See you in the next pair.